Friends.
It's raining again here in Tampa. And
Sarasota.
so we went to Sarasota because it was raining,
Yeah.
and it's still raining.
It's still raining.
So today,
Wow.
man, it started off crazy. Man, there was like so much going on with a dog and a...
Yeah, there was a service dog issue, and
Anyways, let's not talk about that. So we got a map. We're gonna go around the Ringling Museum.
Yep.
I'm so excited I don't even know how to say it. So she's been telling me for a long time, you gotta come here. It's good. There's a lot of cool things. Mm-hmm. This is like the museum in our area.
Yeah, one of them for sure. One of like the top 5 for sure.
So like, let's go.
Check it out.
Oh my gosh. We need like Noah's Ark. So I think this is like the jungle, right? What does this have to do with the Ringling? Does it have anything to do with it?
Nothing, it's just cool.
It's just cool.
It's their garden.
Just
one
cool.
of the gardens. It's
One
got,
of the
like,
gardens.
banyan trees and bamboo and
Statues.
interesting
Little like man statue
They're, like, strange
things
proportions,
with like
some of
weird
them.
heads.
I look like I should have
Yeah, you look like a Jedi. Yo, if she looks like a Jedi,
It's because the hood is large. Some duck friends.
Duck friends. Hey Simon, you turned to stone. What you looking at over there? Brother, is that you, Miles? What's going on with you guys?
Future kitchen goals, this granite and this marble. Scratch that. This one.
So like, you look at these and you wonder like, who painted them and like why? It's like, you know, maybe you're hired, you know, commissions, and like for instance, like this one, it's like, what do you think? They were like, say, hey, you know, paint church on Sunday. Thank you, Father.
Again, with the art that has movement, you know, you always find me at those places.
Okay, and now we're out of the little, what was that, purple room? Purple room thing? Yeah. And now look at these, like, look at this outside area. It is cool.
It's cool.
It's amazing.
Courtyard with a whole bunch of sculptures.
Courtyard. I saw a sign on the way
We
here.
have a theme for the day.
It said courtyard, but I said courtyard.
Courtyard, and I said, where are you from?
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. I was seeing, I was like, it's motion blur. I couldn't see the sign, you know. So we saw this and we had a little laugh. So in this painting, that's gonna be Sarah, and that's me in like 10 years. She stays beautiful. And yeah, I just get ugly and, you know. Connects. It's like adult Legos.
It's like what?
Adult Legos.
Also chandelier goals though. If anyone's doing remodels, this video might help you a little bit. Some cool looking stuff.
We found the Wonkavator.
No. But it's pretty innovative. It's pretty cool. I've never seen like a little small wheelchair lift. It's pretty neat.
Oh, it's a wheelchair lift. I thought you got into the chocolate factory with that. Really? We're coming. We got the golden ticket. We're having a laugh because I said, those are some rock solid buns.
Yeah. Justin's admiring the views.
Need to grow up. I'm in a museum. Time to grow up.
Few moments later.
It's a big old play space. The dark side.
What can you do? So we made it to the Cadazan, which is the mansion that's on the property here. Super cool. I've been in it once before, so all the interior decor reflects similar to the style the outside is, and I'm sure you can tell it's pretty massive. So yeah, let's go check out a little tour around it maybe. Perspective, you guys. He looks pretty small next to it. It's really pretty massive.
What'd you think?
It's pretty cool. I really like the stained glass windows.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of all the different colors they used on that.
It definitely reminds me a lot of like the St. Augustine type stuff.
Yeah, that Spanish style.
Yeah, it has a lot of those vibes for sure. It's pretty cool.
It's neat.
Can you go up there?
Yeah.
It would be an amazing performance space.
You know, I'm always just looking for places to dance and show people art, so.
Man, I don't know if this comes out on the video, but man, it is just foggy and it is just so rainy and wet and cold.
Cold is not as bad as it was when we first got here. It was really bitter, but now it's still
cold. The rain
unpleasant.
definitely does not help.
no.
See, here in sunny Florida, we don't ever get snow. We get freezing cold days with melted snow, just bombarding you,
really
soaking
not fair.
all your clothes. Not fair. I want to make a snowman. One day we'll make a snowman.
Yeah.
Maybe next year.
Talk to some Disney characters about that.
I just now got it. Are you okay in there?
Yeah, I'm good. You know, just trying to stay warm.
That's the key to a Florida winter, is to stay warm.
Yeah.
Warm and dry.
Warm and dry, which we are neither right now, so maybe we can remedy that. You want to see like the next section?
Let's do that.
Let's check it out.
Yo, if you put a dollar in there, like, art will come out. Isn't that awesome?
I don't think that's what it is.
You don't think so?
Yeah, but if they have little like drawings of Cokes, that would be cool.
No. Sodas with like art on them.
Yeah.
Do it.
shoot me out of there?
Yes.
Thought you liked me.
Huh?
Thought you liked me.
I do, but you would be amazing coming out of there at 100 miles an hour.
Think about all the rotation and the force and the everything. It's terrifying, honestly. It's pretty crazy. I know you guys are waiting for it. Like, you saw a train, so, yeah.
Look, I can see you sleeping on this couch right here.
I'd be into it.
Yeah?
It's nice. It's big enough for sure.
Go across country, isn't it?
Cross country.
Oh.
Here for both of us.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. What is that little thing? Oh, yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, it's just the sleeping quarters.
Conversion. You got a sink.
Oh, yes.
You got a chamber pot. Just kidding. You got an even better version.
Oh,
Actual
yes.
toilet.
Uh-huh. Yeah, bath. Look at that. That's pretty nice.
You have a nicer room.
No, this is your room. It's more luxury. What do we have here? Oh, yeah, look. It's like a nice little area. You play cards. Oh, yeah, another couch. Oh, yeah, look. A place to make... This is where I would edit the video. Wow. Well, it's like a...
Some cooking.
Heck yeah.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Different kinds of rooms in one section so that you could see all of it.
Mm-hmm.
Neat. Super cool. Balance course.
Hey, lovely. You should get that.
Always finding all the dance things everywhere.
So our tour at the Ringling Museum has come to a conclusion. And it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool. But now we need sustenance. So we're grabbing some beers at a little pub called
Shakespeare's.
Shakespeare's. For all you literature majors out there, this place seems pretty legit in the area of Sarasota. What you getting, lovely?
So I got a cider in true typical fashion. And then I think for food, I'm leaning towards the cottage pie because it's like an Irish vibe here. Irish, British. So that seems safe.
And I think I'm doing the fish and chips, which I love fish and chips. And apparently it says it's voted Sarasota's best. What a statement.
So it's arrived and it looks epically good.
They made a recommendation, and like always, it's better to take the advice. And today, we're trying this beautiful brie burger. It's like award-winning. And we have local beer. Local beer. Local beer. Local beer. If I can say it right.
It's only the first one, I promise. I don't know why I couldn't
Only the
say the
first
word
one.
beer.
I'm just excited, you know, like sometimes you just get like worked up. Ready? I'm excited. Let's dive in.
I mean, it pretty much did. Yep.
Yep. Go.
Twas good.
Gotta make it warm. Woof.
And this guy, always seat warmer when available. Always.
Let's do this. Think of a number.
Okay.
I'm gonna think of a number out of 10. Okay, BersLyf score for the Shakespeare English Pub is at the same time. You ready? You got a number?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, 7.5.
Whoa!
Whoa! It was close!
That's not close. That's a point apart.
I
I'm
know,
harsh.
but it was so
Okay, so the
close.
average there is 7. So that's
All
not
right,
bad.
yeah,
That's
okay.
good.
All right, not too bad. Hey, guys, check it out. We're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in reverse. We're gonna go back to Tampa. See you guys on the flip side. What are you guys doing outside? Guys,
Oh, man.
gosh, I didn't know you were out here. We left them. We left the internet outside in the rain. You got the door. I'm sorry, I don't want the cats to go outside. Guys, what were you doing outside? I mean, I guess you weren't outside of your own choice. I guess we left you.
Sorry.
It was a long drive back from Sarasota. And it was rainy, could barely even see the highway. And we got back and like literally we've been just kind of like breathing. It feels so warm in this house.
Nice.
Pretty cool trip.
Yeah.
The Ringling Brothers Museum, pretty cool. If you like what you saw, you should definitely go. Pretty reasonably priced. And if a dog lunges at you, just be friendly. And if you want to know more about that, maybe for another day. But hey, guess what today is? If they're watching this today, guess what? It's Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey, who's your Valentine? What did you do that is absolutely special? Maybe you took them to the Ringling Brothers Museum.
Maybe you took yourself on a date and it's good.
Yeah, I mean, that's great too. Hey, we all love you. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And we hope you have a great, amazing week because it's Monday. It's Valentine's Day. Not only do we love you, not only do we want you to succeed, but we have a fantastic amount of energy going into the week. And I hope it's going to be fantastic. BersLyf. And for another week, thank you for tuning in. Next week, guys, come on, Florida, keep your gear together. All right. All right, guys. See you guys. Lips.